In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to create a quiz in Canva. The process is simple, intuitive, and perfect for anyone who wants to add interactive elements to their content. Whether you're a teacher designing activities for students, a trainer building engagement, or someone who wants to add a fun twist to a project, Canva's quiz tools make the whole experience easy and enjoyable. Start by logging into your Canva account and heading to the main dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the Elements tab. This section contains an entire library of graphics, shapes, features, and interactive tools that Canva provides. After opening the Elements section, scroll or type into the search bar to find the option labeled Polls and Quizzes. This feature gives you access to pre-designed quiz and poll templates, allowing you to build something organized and attractive without starting from scratch. When you browse through the available templates, you'll see various layouts and styles. Playful designs for fun quizzes, clean professional formats for educational or business use, and visually exciting templates for entertainment-focused content. Take your time to choose one that matches your theme and the type of quiz you want to create. Once you've selected your template, click on Edit to begin customizing it. This is where your creativity kicks in. Start by updating the header to introduce your quiz topic. You can replace the default title with something simple like General Knowledge Quiz, Math Challenge, or Fun Trivia Time. Below the heading, edit the main question area to match what you want to ask. For example, what is 2 plus 2? Or which planet is known as a red planet? Clear questions help engage your participants and set the tone for the quiz. Next, add the answer options. Each template already includes placeholders, so click on them and replace the text with your choices. Be sure to vary the options to make the quiz interesting. You can add simple answers, tricky ones, or creative choices depending on your quiz style. Adjust the colors, fonts, and sizes to make your quiz visually appealing while still easy to read. Once your question and options are ready, click the 3 small dots on or near the quiz element. From the menu, select Mark as correct. This is an important step because it tells Canva which answer is the right one, allowing your quiz to function properly. Repeat this process for all your quiz pages or questions if you're building a multi-question activity. After everything is set, your interactive quiz is complete. Canva makes it easy to share your finished design. You can download it, present it, share a link, or include it as part of a larger project. This feature is incredibly useful for teachers, coaches, presenters, and anyone looking to make learning or engagement more fun and interactive. And that's all you need to get started. Canva's Quiz Maker is simple, flexible, and customizable, making it a powerful tool for creating fun and educational content. Enjoy designing your quiz and exploring all the creative possibilities Canva has to offer. Happy designing!